Welcome back to the Shopify tutorial series by FoxEcom. In this video, we'll show you how to set up breadcrumbs on your product pages, a simple but powerful feature that helps shoppers navigate your store and boost your SEO. We'll walk you through how to enable and customize breadcrumbs in your Shopify theme. Before we start, please note that this setup applies specifically to FoxEcom themes, including Hyper, Sleek, and Zest. Let's get started.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand's story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with stunning and high-converting templates of any page type. Create and use customizable Foxify sections anywhere on your page, anywhere in your store. Translate your pages to multiple languages instantly right in Foxify. Ensure your pages are performing at their best by receiving data about your customers. Grow massive sales without using third-party apps. And create pages that convert with advanced tools. It's not just the tool. FoxEcom team is behind it all. Your success is our priority. Foxify, build right, win high.
First, let's enable breadcrumbs. Open the theme editor and select the product template you want to add breadcrumbs to. Then click the breadcrumbs section, where you can align it to the left, center, or right, and adjust the padding to fit your layout. By default, the breadcrumbs automatically take the first collection in alphabetical order when the product is included in multiple collections. However, FoxEcom offer a way to add your custom collection in breadcrumbs using metafields. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, Metafields, and MetaObjects Products. Then click Add Definition to create a new product definition. In the name field, you can enter any name you like, and set the namespace and key to the predefined format breadcrumb.primary_collection. After that, choose the metafield type as collection, and click Save. Once that's done, go to the Products section in your admin panel and scroll down to find the breadcrumbs metafield you just created. Here, select the appropriate collection for your product. And that's how you set up breadcrumbs on your product pages, improving both navigation and SEO performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Shopify tutorials from FoxEcom. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.